Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
Hey, what's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in this video, we got the updates and recaps. Starting off with the updates. So we did go ahead and release the official date for the Jordan 1 Low trophy rooms. However, we did have false images in the beginning, but we do have the correct photos now. So this pair is going to come out in February, and it does feature that red, white, and black colorway, Chicago colorway. They say that this shoe is supposed to be coming from the Flair rookie card of Michael Jordan because while he was playing golf, he played in a pair of red toes. This is releasing on February the 15th, 2024 with a retail price of $140. They are supposed to have two shoes, a home and away. These are still a clean colorway, in my opinion. But so if you don't know, these feature a predominantly white shoe. Around the toe box, it does seem like a satin around the toe box. It does have that black swoosh, as well as Marcus Jordan will be releasing his own version of that, which will have a white check. I'm not sure which shoe is going to be more popular, but it's supposed to be a home and away. Home colorway has a Nike swoosh in white, and the away colorway has the black swoosh. I do think the black swoosh looks better in my opinion, but only time will tell which one's going to be more limited or more available to the public. So this may have change the resale price of one, but in both shoes, basically the front is the same. It's that white toe box with the satin around the toe box. And then in the back, on the heel, it does have that black in a different color. And it does, I do like the gold embroidered metal Wings logo on the back. I do think that's a nice touch, in my opinion. It does feature trophy room branding. Only time will tell if these sneakers will do well or not. It's not really a clean colorway, in my opinion. I don't know if you have a chance to see these. What do you think about these, my brother?
Hey, I will not be rocking those. Hey, I will not be rocking those thumbs down on those. I don't understand where Jordan Brand was going with this. I get it, and I don't get it. But drop us a comment, down below. Is what they're doing making sense? So
Yes, sir.
not making no sense at all, my brother.
All right, so moving on, we do have the Jordan recaps. So we did have two shoes that came out through the week of the 7th to the 13th of January. We first had on January 10th the Jordan 2. This was a women exclusive pair. It came in sale, black, coconut milk. Retail price was $175. And of course, all sizes are available on Nike.com. So if you still want these sneakerheads, go on and scoop these up. Again, all sizes are available at Nike.com. What you got next, my brother?
Hey, so on January the 13th, we had those Air Jordan 1s, OG, Yellow Orchid. These were a men pair. Asking price for those we're going for 180, and I'm actually shocked that all sizes are still available. So if you're looking to cop either one, Jordan 2s or Jordan 1s, hey, all sizes are available for both pairs. All right, according to Nike.com. Hey, if you guys continue to enjoy content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.